ones, the juries, the participant of speech on Java English Competition 2024, and all audiences. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? I'm sure you're all in good health. Before I start, have you guys known me already? There's a saying that if you don't know that person, how can you love that person? Therefore, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Princess Nunia Manata. You can call me Princess, and I'm from Budi Utama Perak General High School. First of all, I want to invite all of us to give thanks to God Almighty, who has given us many favors so that we can meet on this occasion without any trouble. I would also like to give thanks to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness, so that we are always on the right path. Thank you the opportunity given to me to able to give a word or two at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand here to deliver my speech with the title Building Bridges, the Role of Language in Connecting the World. In an increasingly globalized society, language has become a filter for communication, understanding, and connection. But what does it mean to be connected, and how can language help us to achieve this goal? For now, we gather to celebrate the power of language and its role in connecting us with people from diverse backgrounds. First, let's consider the importance of language between cultures. Language is not just a means of conveying information, but also a reflection of our culture's values and identity. When we learn new language, we not only acquire a set of words and grammar rules, but also gain access to new ways of thinking, feeling, and being. By speaking another language, we can connect with people from different cultures, backgrounds, fostering understanding, empathy, and friendship. In an age where globalization has brought us closer together, language has become more important than ever. With a click of a button, we can now connect with people from all over the world, share our ideas, and learn from one another. But this connection is not without its challenges. We must recognize that language barriers can also create divides, silos that can separate us from those who speak from different tongues. That is why it's more crucial than ever that we work together to build bridges between languages. We must recognize the power of language in breaking down barriers and building understanding. We must recognize that every language has its own unique beauty, its own unique cultures, and its own unique story to tell. In conclusion, language is more than just a tool for communication. It's a bridge that spans cultures, fosters understanding, and builds relationships. As we navigate an increasingly globalized world, it's crucial that we recognize the power of language in connecting people from diverse backgrounds. As the great poet Kofi Awonar once said, language is not just a means of communication, it's a means of understanding. Let us use our languages to understand each other, to learn from each other, and to build a brighter future together. Those are my speech about building bridges, the role of language in connecting the world. Thanks a lot of your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.